Join us as we explore the Innes National Park at the bottom of Yorke Peninsula in South Australia. We're going to be exploring the historic Innes village, the Ethel shipwreck, Cape Spencer Lighthouse, West Cape Lighthouse, the historic Stenhouse Gypsum mining jetty, the beautiful Shell Beach rock pool, and some wildlife along the way. Our first stop is the Stenhouse Bay Jetty and Gypsum Works. See, there's bits of gypsum. You can see that on the ground here. Looks like a bit of a shale. That's the gypsum that they have. Stop is the lookout for Chinaman's Hat Island. Now we're off to find the iconic Cape Spencer Lighthouse. Back on the main road, we came across these two locals going for a walk. Alright, we're going to have a look at the Inneston historic town. In its heyday there was about 100 men and 30 women, so about 130 people lived here. It even had its own bakery and its own butcher, it had its own post office. Alright, so we're at the wreck of the Ethel, just below us down here, which we're going to go down and have a look at. It's a pretty steep walk down. We're going to go down and have a look. There's not a lot left of it. It was 1904 when it came aground on this beach here. No one died, luckily. They managed to, oh sorry, there was only one person that died from that when they tried to swim out with a line to bring it to shore so they could bring the people in. Ironically, the next morning the seas were calmer and everyone was able to come off the ship onto the sand. Okay, we're off to the West Cape Headland walk, which has a lighthouse. It has 360-degree view, so let's head on up. And we even got to meet the resident lightkeeper. And now we're off to find the Insta famous Shell Beach rock pool.